Hey, hot tubbers, are you new to the hot tubbing world and are really confused on how to actually test your hot tub water? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to test with test strips, not only for your chlorine and your bromine hot tubs, but also for your saltwater hot tubs. And we're going to get right to it. So for today, I am actually using the freshwater test strips. And those will test, as you can see, they test total bromine, free chlorine, alkalinity, pH, and hardness. So these are really important for all your hot tubs, and they test everything. If you don't have these, you can also get the AquaCheck brand. Just make sure that it tests for all those things as well, because those are the things that you need to know. So we're going to do that, and then later on in the video, I'm going to also show you how to actually use a saltwater test strip. So we're just going to run out to the hot tub here, and I'm going to show you guys how we do this. So as you can see, I'm out at the hot tub. I have the test strips with me, and first things first, you want to open the lid of the test strips and then make sure you close that lid. I can't tell you guys how many times I have dumped the whole bottle of test strips into the water. So as you can see, you just swirl it around for about 2 seconds, give it a good shake, and then you line it up. My bromine is relatively high here, a little above 10. My chlorine is probably pretty close to 10 part per million. My alkalinity is low at 40 part per million. The pH is super low, and I definitely need to fix that. And my hardness is at a 25, which is where I need to be on my saltwater hot tub. Most other hot tubs, you're going to be closer to the 150 range. So that's where you're going to be on that. Now to do the saltwater hot tubs, if you actually have a saltwater, you want to grab your saltwater test strip. Same thing. You want to flip open the cover, get it out, and close that, because again, you don't want to spill those. Swirl it around, give it a shake, and then you're going to hold it flat, and you want to do that for 20 seconds. Now I'm actually watching the timer on the camera here as I'm doing that, but it's really important that you actually take a timer out there when you do this, because that 20 seconds makes a big difference. And as you can see on the back of the scale, when I bring that back up, 1 second or 2 seconds can make a huge deal. But I'm exactly at 1750 part per million, which is really important, and you should always test that on a test strip before listening to the hot tub and actually adding salt. But that's how you do that. And then if you guys have any questions at all, I definitely have cheat sheets available on my website. The links are down below. You can definitely check that out, and it's super easy. Those guides, in fact, I'll put one up here where you can just literally, you line up where your hot tub, how many gallons your hot tub water is, and then what you need to do to raise it. So for example, here we've got the pH decreaser for lowering the alkalinity. So if I have a 300 gallon hot tub and I need to lower the alkalinity, you just line those two up, and that tells you the exact dosage. Those are free. All you have to do is go to the website. Again, the links will be down below, and you can check that out, and it'll make it super simple. And if you guys are looking for really other great tips and tricks, I also have a free 7-page guide that's in the links below as well. It's free, 7 pages of stuff that you need to know to actually take care of your hot tub. And guys, I hope you found this was helpful. Right over here, there's going to be another video. Please watch that, because I know it's going to help. That's the one YouTube thinks is going to be the best for you. And I will see you next time. And thanks for letting me help you become a happy hot tubber.